If you provide dumpster for rental, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your dumpster rental business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding booking, pricing, availability, info and whatnot. Replying each person individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your dumpster rental business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details, and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I will type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response in which they welcome me, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: rent a dumpster, schedule pickup and check pricing. I'm going to click on check pricing. As soon as I have selected check pricing, I got a response in which they mention all the prices. With that, they have mentioned 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to click on menu option. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message again. This time I'm going to select rent a dumpster. To rent a dumpster, they need few details like name. After name, they want to know about address. After that, they want to know about type of waste. Now they want to know about the size. After that, they want to know about drop-off date and time. Now they want to know about rental duration. As soon as they got every single detail, they have provided me a message in which they mention that you will receive confirmation with rental cost, instruction and payment link. With that also, they have provided me 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Here I got initial message again. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for dumpster rental business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your dumpster rental business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and here I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to enter my welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on Add Content button and select the text button. Here, I'm going to enter my message where I have mentioned that welcome to Bin Buddy Rental. Cleanup start with a tap. Book your dumpster in minute. We help homeowner, constructors and business rental dumpster for junk removal, renovation, construction, waste and more, all through WhatsApp. How can we help you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on Add Button option and enter my text where I have entered rent a dumpster, schedule pickup and check pricing. Now for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with rent a dumpster. To give dumpster on rent, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my action button, and here I'm going to enter my message. Let's get your book right away. Please share your name. I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as text. After name, I'm going to ask delivery address. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please share delivery address with pin code. I'm going to select my contact custom field as address and my format as any. After knowing about their address and name, I want to know about type of waste they want to store. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please share type of waste. I'm going to select my contact custom field as type and my format as any. Similarly, I'm going to ask 3 more questions like prefer size, drop off, date and time, and duration. I have selected their contact custom field as well. Now after knowing each and every detail about my customer, I want to send them a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. You will receive confirmation with rental cost, instruction and payment link. With that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone select this menu button, they will get initial message again, and I'm going to put a separate message for talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I have mentioned that our team will contact them as soon as possible. Our working hours are from Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Expected response time is 15 to 30 minutes. Now let's move to our second action button, which is schedule pickup. To schedule a pickup, I again need to ask few questions to them like their name, address and pickup date and time. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question and enter my question like name, bin ID, pickup address and pickup date and time. With that, also I have selected their contact custom field as time slot, address and name. Now after getting their details, I will send them a message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message again where I have mentioned that our team will confirm the pickup and share driver ETA. With that, I have also provided 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support recently. With that, I'm going to move to our third action button, which is check pricing. To give information about pricing, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, where I have mentioned all the prices for different dumpster. With that, I have also mentioned that prices include drop-off, pickup and standard weight limit and same day or next day delivery available in most area. Not only that, I have added two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support like this. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for dumpster rental business. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.